Hello,
Hi,
teacher.
baby. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Did you eat your dinner?
Yes?
Wow, is it delicious?
No, it is
It's not delicious.
chicken. It is chicken. It is
Chicken.
chicken, vegetables, and meat.
Wow.
Chicken.
Vegetables. So,
Yeah.
baby, we're going to continue the lesson, the test, actually. The test, right?
That's right.
Baby, I am downloading it.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. What do we mean to each other? Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Ooh.
Huh?
So can you tell me what is the title of our
Taste to
test to speak?
tiger.
Speaking.
A tiger.
So what can you see in the
Speaking.
picture? So what can you see in the picture?
Animal. Animals.
Animals. So
Animals.
what do you think will be the lesson?
It is elephant, giraffe, lion, zebra, tiger, bear, and I didn't know two animals.
Yes, more on animals. So we are more on talking, and talking.
I love talking.
Okay, yes, and you're very good in talking, baby. Okay, baby, can you tell something about yourself?
Me?
Yes. Your full
Myself,
name?
myself is Phạm Hai Nam. Name
Okay, how old are you?
9 years old.
And then where do you live?
I live in Hải Dương in Vietnam.
Okay, tell something more, baby.
I in class 4A2 of Samai Primary School and
Continue. And then what is your favorite food?
my favorite food is chicken. I love chicken. And my
Next.
favorite drink is Coca. You love Coca?
Yes.
B?
Yes. Okay,
Oh,
how about...
Hey, you love B.
What's that, baby? B-E-E?
No. There no is red meat. You know?
No, I don't like it. What? Do you like it?
No.
Baby, it's for adults, not for you. Even me, I'm an adult. I don't like it.
You don't like? I don't like too.
Bad taste. I don't like the taste. Okay, how about your favorite hobbies?
Hobby?
And then, hold on,
My
baby.
hobby.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is.
My hobbies are, if it is more than one.
I don't have hobby.
Oh, do you like to play? Do you like to sing? Do you like to dance? Do you like to play sports? So what are the
I know.
you like to do?
I like sport. I like sport very much.
Oh, what sport do you like?
Football, badminton,
Ping pong.
tennis,
Ooh, many.
table tennis.
Ping pong. Ping pong.
People, I don't like people.
Another word for table tennis is ping pong, baby.
Yeah.
What else?
And sport. And do you like dance?
Dance?
I don't like dance and sing.
Why?
It's very tired to
You feel tired?
yes,
Okay.
sing and dance.
Okay. Next, baby. Do you like holidays?
Yes.
Okay. What holiday do you like?
My holiday life is Saturday and Sunday. I love Sunday very much.
Why do you like Sunday?
Because I go to swimming.
Ah, what do you often do during holidays?
Often.
Often, or how can I say it? What do you do during holidays? During Christmas? Hold on, baby. During Christmas.
Coca.
During summer vacation.
Coca. Coca.
What's that?
You know Coca? Yeah. Coca.
Coca. What's Coca? I don't know that.
Do you know? Coca-Cola.
Ah, yeah, soda. We call it soda, baby.
Oh, yes.
So you like soda, yes?
Yes. And watermelon.
A watermelon fruit. Yeah, my husband likes watermelon.
Me too.
His favorite fruit. Okay, you want to read it?
I like to watermelon and juice orange.
Oh, okay. You want to go swimming while eating watermelon?
I love swimming.
Okay, how about? Have you ever gone fishing?
Yes, I like fishing.
Do you like it?
Yes, I can fishing.
I can go fishing. Wow. When did you go fishing, baby?
It's afternoon.
Wow. Do you like it? Did you catch some fishes?
Yes. It's 2 or 1. It's big.
Nice. Did you eat what you catch?
I didn't know.
Okay. Next. Find the difference, baby.
I know.
You can circle it, baby.
I know.
Okay, circle it.
Is children is sit and the children is up.
Hold on.
Children is down and children is up.
What, baby? You can circle it.
I know it. What? A children. Monty and Table. Table. Fish.
Children, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Monkey.
What else?
Let me. I know it. It is sunny and it is rainbow
Ah,
and it is cloudy and it is not cloudy.
yes. Okay. Next, baby.
It's boat. 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 Fish.
Okay, what else?
Table. And I know it. It's 4 tree and it's 3 tree. Tree.
Yes, okay, very good.
And
Okay, what's that, baby?
table.
Ball.
Table.
Yeah, I got it. Circle and round and square. Okay, very good, baby. Can you read it, baby? This is Peter.
I am going to ask you some questions. Me?
This is Peter. I don't know anything about Peter, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, let's try it. Is Peter married? Let's find out.
Yeah.
This one, baby. Let's try it.
Yeah. Yes.
Can you read it,
Yes.
baby? What is the age of Peter? Can you read it first?
Is Peter Mark
33 years old.
30 years old, farmer, yes, 2, tall.
Wow. Okay, let's
I know
try.
it.
Is Peter married?
Yes.
Is Peter tall or short?
Tall.
How old is he?
33.
What's his job?
Farmer.
Has he got a car?
Yes, he got 2 cars.
Yes, okay. This is Anne. Now you don't know about Anne. Now let's talk about Anne. I'm going to ask you some question, okay? Okay, can you read it, baby?
How old is Anne? What's her job? Is Margaret really tall or short? Has she got a car? Okay. 28. 28. What next? 28. Wait,
Baby,
what next?
how old is Anne, baby?
28. 28.
And what's her job, baby?
Artist.
Wow. Is she married?
No.
Is she tall or short?
Short.
Has she got a car?
No, he's got bicycle.
She got a bicycle. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
This test is very easy. Okay, can you read it, baby?
The teacher tell a story.
It's cold.
Tourist.
It's cold.
Cold. It's cold.
As the circus.
the courses. Just look at the picture first. It is Saturday. The children went somewhere nice. The class to the chorus. Now you tell about story.
Now you tell the story, baby. Okay, tell the story.
Picture 1 is 1.
So what is the first picture all about?
Picture 1.
Yeah.
Picture 1 is curry.
They are going to the
Picture and
circus, baby.
class.
Picture 2, baby. What are they doing?
They are looking a picture.
No, they are going to the circus, the picture.
Picture 1.
Picture 1, they are going to the circus. Picture 2, they are riding in a bus and then they're going to the circus too. Picture 3.
Picture 3. Children don't have money.
They cannot get inside the circus because they don't have money. And number 4 picture
is in coffee.
Cafe. They are resting or eating in the cafe. And number 5 picture.
They looking 2 men.
2 men, yes. Again, can you try it again, baby?
3 children is looking a picture. And picture 2 is the children is go bus to the car. What bus the chorus. And picture 3 is children is don't have money and go. And picture 4 children is go coffee and brew a coffee. Picture 5 3 children is looking 2 men.
No, they are not man. We call it clown, baby.
Clown?
Yes, they are performing. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Okay, read it, baby.
The children ask go by bus to what next to the
circus.
Correct. They can't go in because it's too what next to
expensive.
They said they go to a coffee. They bring ice cream. So cat has come into the coffee. The cat is dancing on the table in the coffee, and the children is laughing.
Laughing, baby.
What?
Laughing.
Laughing.
Okay.
What?
Laughing is
ha. What?
Oh, look, it's done already. So hold on, baby. I will record.
Okay.
Very good, baby. Okay, very good. So do you have questions, baby?
Next?
No, we don't have next because the next one is on Friday. It's still examination, baby.
Is song?
Oh, what song do you like, baby?
Counting Star. And Save Me. 2.
Counting Stars. Hold on, baby. This one Republic, baby.
What?
Hold on, baby.
Okay.
This one?
Ang Pasko di lang masaya.
Hold on,
Dapat
hold on.
dagdag saya with all-in-one Maggie Magic Sarap.
Lately,
Yeah.
I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars. Like a swinging vine, swing my heart across the line. In my face is flashing signs. Seek it out and ye shall find. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. And I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing. And I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. I could lie. Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. Yeah, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Hey. I feel your love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word.
Right, never turn it up to go.
I could lie. Everything that drowns me makes me wanna fly. I've been dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Thinking more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Lately, I've been dreaming about the things that we could be. Oh, take that money, watch it burn.
Take my monkey bird, take me to the watch it burn, sing it, watch it burn, take that money, watch it burn, take my girl, watch it burn, everything that
makes me feel alive. Dreaming about the things that we could be. I've been praying hard. Sing no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Sing no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Watch it burn, sing it, the lessons I learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sing it, the lessons I learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sing it, the lessons I learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sing it, the lessons I learned.
What will be the next one, baby?
Next,
What is the title?
not step me.
What is the next one, baby? What is the next song?
Save, save me.
Save me.
You know? Do you know?
BTS, baby?
Yeah.
Is that a Korean song?
Here. Save me. Save me.
Is that a Korean song, baby?
Save me. Good song. This good song.
Is that a Korean song, baby?
I love Save Me. You know?
No, baby.
But I know.
Hold on, baby. Save me. This one?
Yeah.
That's Korean song, baby.
No. No, 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 no. No. No, this. It is Hàn Quốc. This song is Hàn Quốc, not English.
Who sang that?
You down and you kick.
I don't know who sang that, baby. Can you say?
Yeah.
There are many titles. The title.
Yeah.
There are many, baby.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Wait to me.
Share. Can you share your screen to me?
Wait to me. Wait me. Here. Save me is here. Peter. You know?
Save me, save me. Ah, save me, Jam. Okay, hold on, baby.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Ariel removes virus and 99.9% of germs. 25% more.
Yeah.
Start, baby.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like I'm awake. Don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay.
Hi.
I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. You make me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side. Baby, yeah. Only you can save me. Only you can like a bottle of wine. I'm insane. I come alive, you drive me wild when I kiss you at night. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. Falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. You get me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side, baby. Only you can save me. Only you can save me. Get me through. 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 You get me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side, baby. Only you can save me. Only you can save me. Get me through. 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 Get me through.
Okay, baby, let's continue the lesson on Friday. Let's continue the test on Friday, okay?
Okay.
Good night, baby.
Good night. See you on Friday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.